Hey everyone, it's Bubs here, also known as Bubs Bee, and I am so happy to be sharing with you all some of the things I like to do to pamper myself. Taking care of my hair and my skin keeps me feeling relaxed and looking sublime. I am so excited to be partnering with everyone's favorite skincare brand, Dove. I know, right? They sent me over some of their new hair care products. You just have to stay tuned to see how I get these beautiful results. So the line I am using today is Dove's Hair Therapy Hydration Spa products. This line actually focuses on skincare inspired ingredients to combat my dry, brittle prone hair. I'm first going to saturate my hair with water, and then to cleanse, I am using the Hydration Spa sulfate-free shampoo. This shampoo, as well as the conditioner, can boost hydration for 24 hours. That is because this formula contains hyaluronic serum. Hyaluronic serum creates a protective lipid barrier around the hair fiber. This ensures that your hair is left soft and moisturized. And this was exactly what my lackluster hair needed. I am coming from a month-old hairstyle, and my strands were in desperate need of the TLC benefits of the shampoo. I love that the shampoo has a great lather, but it is a moisturizing shampoo. I was able to get any buildup off my hair and my scalp while still being able to maintain its hydration. Even after a second cleanse, yes, I went in again to get a great rich lather, and my hair was left defined, shiny, and much softer. Now it's time to condition using the Hydration Spa conditioner. This product is super creamy and rich and was able to glide through my strands so easily. Get into the slip, the moisture. My hair was soaking up this product. I will be applying a generous amount, thick hair problems, just to ensure every strand is getting the nourishment from this product. I'm making sure to smooth the product in. I will also go in and use a detangling tool to thoroughly detangle each section. It was a breeze to get through my hair. I was getting less shedding, less knots, and getting rid of those tangles. I love that this conditioner contains glycerin because glycerin is actually a humectant, and what a humectant does is that it brings moisture into the hair from the actual environment. Glycerin can also create a nice barrier to lock that moisture in so your hair stays moisturized and soft for as long as possible. And we need that, okay? We need long-lasting moisture for our kinky hair. After that, I'm just going to add a microfiber towel, and then I will finish doing my body care steps. After getting out the shower, I'm going to light this aromatic candle just so we can get the vibes going. I will play a little music in the background, and then I can get into adding some hydration to my skin. Because my skin is just as dry as my hair, I like to use moisturizing products just to ensure my skin stays soft all day. I will then be doing a facial mask. I love to do a cooling and calming mask whenever I can, just to ease my mind, relax, deep breathe, moisturize those lips, keep them looking supple as possible. Really just enjoy the moment, keep my peace. And I just love doing these steps. Girl, it is just needed sometimes. Now I'm just going to add my serums and creams to my face as well after rinsing off that mask. My skin is feeling so much better. It's looking brighter and softer, even smoother. You can see the shine, you can see the glow. I love taking these moments out for hair, body, and skincare prep. It really just brings me so much joy. Lastly, I for sure had to do a complete look. I put on a nice top. I'm going to add some highlighter. I'm going to apply a little bit of lipstick. I love me a nude lip with a gloss on top. I'm going to add some earrings and move on to styling this gorgeous fro. Now I could definitely do a curly fro, but I do that often. I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I'm just picking my hair out and fluffing it out so it can get very big and full, and then I'm going to actually pull some hair up in the back, create this cute puff, and you know, this quick hairstyle is done. My hair is feeling so soft and moisturized. My body and skin feels replenished and nourished, and I definitely had such a great time focusing on myself. I am a mom of 6 and a wife, and my house gets pretty busy, so whenever I can get time like this to spoil myself, I do so. Thank you so much, Dove, for partnering with me to allow me to showcase the benefits of this skin inspired line. Make sure to click the link in my description box to purchase your own Dove hair therapy products. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.